Hey you guys, we have located a color for the fireplace. I like it, but I don't like it. I think I just decided on a default color. I'm probably going to end up changing it, but for right now, just so I can get this area painted and looking like something before the holiday season, I want to go ahead and knock that out. They did fix the fireplace, but it still needs some more repairs, but we are painting today. When the storm go by and by, I fly away. I'll fly away, oh Lord Jesus.
Yeah. Ça, oui, par contre, je n'ai pas compris.
Well, keep not understanding. Have compassion, but keep not understanding, because I feel like the minute you understand is the minute you become trouble. So keep not understanding. Je comprends.
J'ai pas compris.
Yeah, just keep our good PP. Huh?
Shit, it don't matter. She pulled you, he pulled her. It don't even matter. It don't even matter. I pulled you. Now what? Ain't like her ex nigga was that big. It was Tracy T. Baby, you about the size of Tracy T. I ain't gonna lie to you.
So you don't think the same thing for a woman when we were like, oh no, she's a good person. You don't think we think ran that?
No. When the guy said she was a good girl, like she really took care of shit, it's like, oh, okay. Yo, you gotta look at this shit. Yo, you wanna keep up with the Joneses? You wanna be on vacation? Niggas like, man, if I move off my 401k, trying to keep up with this lifestyle, I'm gonna be broke. You know what, baby? Hold on. Niggas don't be thinking, they go, what a roller at? That board over here. What you move to?
I didn't move anything.
Niggas really don't be thinking they gonna keep this.
And that's the problem. Not realizing that's for your payment on Saturday or Sunday, girl. That's your Saturday, Sunday payment. We outside. Yeah, you outside, all right. Not me going on a trip. And I gotta be the damn prize. In this moment, it's kind of bittersweet. We started off with very high momentum of getting things done in this upper level of the house, but I am currently slowing down. I'm not sure how many videos are gonna come after this video. So a few days ago, my cousin called and she said we needed to get to my uncle. And without hesitation, I stopped exactly what I was doing. And I'm talking about paint was still wet on the brush and I dropped everything. And I made the drive to my aunt's house to see my uncle. I honestly thought I was going to come and I was going to see him smiling or doing something, but there was no movement. He wasn't speaking. He wasn't saying anything. That was on Thursday night. And then we had Friday with him, and pretty much he ended up passing Saturday morning at about 2:55 in the morning. And I have to say, it is very sad. I'm sad. This is actually the first person I can say that I know, like, that we've kind of lost in our family. And my cousins are the first to lose their father amongst us. And so those, like him passing and then my cousin losing her dad at the same time, are something that is like weighing heavy. And it's not just weighing heavy on me, it's also weighing heavy on my fiance, because my uncle was at our house all the time. Hence why I honestly wasn't recording a whole lot in my house, is because like he was there, we had tea together, we were renovating the house together, and he didn't want to be on camera. So I was only able to get him here and there. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have posted that. And so I was trying to get these little areas done so I can bring him to the house, because he had already sounded weak, and he told me you know, he can just supervise, but he couldn't help me. And I said, that's fine. I don't need any help. Like, I got it, you know? And so he helped me to pick this house. And so I just wanted him to be able to at least make a visit here. I'll be honest, the way that I'm feeling right now, I don't feel like doing anything, but I know that I cannot not do anything, because if I don't, I know where that's going to take me emotionally, and I don't want to go there. So I'm just asking again to just bear with me, because this was someone that meant a lot to me, and it's just such a sucky situation. But I know, like, he's not hurting and he's not in pain or anything like that. But today was heavy.
You gonna hit that with the roller.
I gotta hit this with the roller?
No, that top part. Don't worry about that. Don't do that.
Don't rub it?
No.
I thought you liked it, but you rub it.
Not for you to do it.
Oh, it's too heavy? My hand is too heavy?
Your hand's too heavy.
Oh, this is gonna be a light rub.
Right. So let me show you something. You hitting the corners, right? All you gotta do is bop, bop. Right? So when you get in the corner, bop.
You okay?
Yeah.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah. Hit the other corner. Get in the corner. Flip it.
Upside down?
Yeah, there you go. Nope, pat. Yep. Pat the top where you messed it up too. Don't get your shirt wet. You knew it was coming?
I knew some shit was coming. I knew better than that. I knew some shit was coming. Come on, man.
Been here long enough. Okay. Tilt it. You see? Tilt it. You see? Tilt it. So you don't hit the wall. Tilt. Okay? When you get it that way, then you tilt this way. You see? And you let it drop in there. And then smooth it out. And then drop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. And slightly. Lightly. This is already starting to dry. That's why I don't want you to ding it. Give me the ladder. Let me hit the other two spots. You did good though.
Not yet.
Thank you. Hey.
You doing the second roll already?
Not really. I'm going to do a second coat. The second coat, pretty much the same thing with a smaller roller, go around all the trimmings and then painting this. Second thing is I have to leave here in about 35 minutes to go get my baby from school, and then I'll be back. But my fiance is gonna finish doing everything. That's number one. That's number two. Number three, y'all may or may not see Tris. He got a little bit of time off from school, and he's here. I don't know if you want to be on camera. The boy don't really care for this shit, so I'm gonna see if he's open to letting y'all see his face so he can at least say hi. We're not gonna leave nothing to do later.
Do what we doing, yeah.
Cause we still gotta finish the slats in your room.
Is it this color?
No, it's not. We did a color match to the damn thing you got.
Word.
I still don't think we needed that, but show me it.
Yo, you the one that what? What are you talking about? You the one that came up with the whole idea, Knuckle.
Baby, you wanted that thing in there so bad. When you do it, you can go all the way up to the ceiling with it. And then you can paint in here, but I gotta go around. Can you wet this?
I'm gonna go back over the top.
I know, but I want you to hit it and go boom. Just hit it like that.
Okay.
Don't stop.
I didn't stop.
You did stop because I could see it.
Oh, stop right there?
Go all the way up with it. Yup. When you go down, roll your thing, okay? You don't let the metal. Look, there you go.
Oh. Give me a second. I got you.
First, you're gonna do this, okay? Come close. You're gonna roll up, roll all the way down, right? Then you just move a little bit. You don't have to move it to the point where you
leave it straight.
Yeah, just move it a little bit. Just move it a little bit, and get your body weight off of it. Just move it a little bit.
Okay.
Like a ballerina. Right? Then when you get to this corner, flip it, because you don't also want the metal to hit. So then you come back. Move it. That way when it dries, you have a very clean dry. When the light hit it, you have a very clean hit. Perfect. Come over down. How come they won't let you get it? They won't let you get it. Lower the pressure. All I should hear is the wetness. You're not supposed to hear the roller. If you hear the roller, you're pressing too hard. You should just hear that. Yeah. That's it. And if you hit that, it's fine because good job. Yeah. I know that's right. It looks good, but that's how you end up with like a smooth finish. So like if and when I'm recording, I'm not gonna see the different start to finish lines of the paint.
Definitely a different tune for me.
Huh?
Definitely a different tune than what I mean is how I'm used to holding it.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, vai essa fé mal mesmo.
What?
Yeah. I told you, this is like the first time
Family
we've
loss.
had a family loss. Shit crazy.
Y'all don't even know how to feel.
Hmm?
Y'all don't even know how to feel right now.
That's why I think everybody's gonna have a different crying moment. Cause yeah, we cry when he passed. But for me, it's when I be like, oh, come on up, right? And I get on the phone and I'm like, I can't cry.
Okay. You gonna drive? You gonna crash out when you drive?
Oh man.
Yeah. Yeah.
That shit is crazy.
That shit is wild. You gonna drive and you have a little flashback moment.
You know what made me cry the other day? You know he went with me to pick up Aiden.
Yeah.
So it's like, I just remember him saying, Petite, just conduis something à New York, oui?
That's when I was in Boston.
Yeah.
I remember that.
He was like, God, that something à New York, like. So it's like, knowing that, like, you know?
He was a part of our house.
No, he was a part of the house.
Yeah.
For sure.
Down here too?
If you're gonna do down there, let me just roll so that way you don't have to worry about it. What's missing? Baby, if you see how dark this thing got, let me put it right here.
How rich.
Huh?
How rich you look.
Nah, this looks good. You did a good job. You did a good job. Where's the remote for the fireplace?
Where is it?
Is this it? Yep, this is it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, you know I have put it that way so that way it could actually come out dark. There you go. Cause the window's still kind of open a little bit. You gonna close it?
No, I was gonna move that ladder.
Oh, okay. That looks good.
We gotta start keeping inventory of these paint colors.
Huh?
Like we did for the last house.
Okay, I'll write it down. When I come back, I'll write it down. You guys, it looks so good. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna go pick up my baby. But this is pretty much the upstairs loft. Let me zoom back out so y'all could get into this. It's so crazy because we just painted this. It was gray. I really like it. I feel like once the art and stuff goes on the wall, it'll make a little bit more sense. I don't know, babe. We may just have to put one piece right here. I think one piece of art right here will not be bad.
Or we could do movie posters.
What do y'all think? Movie with chairs, and I'm gonna put the chairs right here on the screen so you can see what chairs we're looking at and what we're thinking about going with for the chairs. So it's gonna be the fireplace, the chairs. We're gonna build the stage. So this one here. The vote is do a collage of art or do a collage of movies. I'm sure y'all could tell by my tone what I'm leaning towards. Yeah, but I'm trying not to be biased. I'm trying, y'all, but I just don't like them type of things.
We ain't gotta do it.
Nah, this is your space too. We doing whatever.